Hello, hello. It is Rishaya Reese, your LOC'D LIONESS here. And I just wanted to check in with you guys real quick and give you an update on my latest retwist, which is not all the way finished, but I did try to kind of make it into a little bit of a style because I had to go to work today. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Yeah, what do you think? Is it cute? Is it not cute? It's what we had to do to keep looking crazy at work. So yeah, I like it. I like it. It's not bad. This retwist, it's looking pretty nice, looking pretty good, looking pretty fresh, if I don't say so myself. So yeah, I'm about to get back into it and hopefully finish pretty early tonight because I gotta work again tomorrow. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this half and half style that I was rocking today. Hope you guys like it. Remember to subscribe and like this video if you do like this style, or if you just like me and want to show me some love, definitely do so. And yeah, I'll be back with you guys next week. In the meantime, remember to be true to yourself because we journey to our own set of rules. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.